starting off on Smash Bros. Classic MDBA. Ah, this is terrible. Great turnaround F smash from Smash God to take the first stock. Power shields his banana, gets a good grab to turn around. Ooh. The combinations.
Plank forfeited?
Alright, so we got Plank and he forfeited. Probably left. He probably had to go or something. Whatever. And when I look away, apparently Smash God takes another. Smash God only has 21%. Seagull Joe has a lot of work to try and get a comeback. Oh, good counter. Good read. Wow, that's just. Are we about to see a 4-stock? 4-stock, boys. Oh, okay. Great combination from Seagull Joe to actually take the first stock and not get 4-stock. Tries to throw into the banana, get something to follow up with. Good power shot from Smash God. Boys getting hit by the banana, avoiding a potential follow-up. Nair gets him out of the situation really quick. Helps him. Can he get anything off of it? Oh, is the F smash gonna do it? Ooh, covers the ledge. That's a good back air. Tries to get an F tilt, suspecting that he'll go lower. But the back air will take the first game. Smash God is up 1 game. I wonder where Diddy's gonna go. He might go to FD, or possibly run it back to Smashville. Feel like he might go to FD. Oh, is he gonna switch? Oh, Seagull Joe going Bowser on Fountain of Dreams. Alright, we have game 2. Seagull Joe switching to his Bowser. I've never seen this actually. I've never seen Seagull Joe go Bowser. Really? Okay. That's what I guess you can expect from someone who's able to play any character. Tries to get an F smash. Unfortunately, he spaces out too far away. That was nice. Oh, brings him down. Brings him down. Just hits him with the 4 side B. Oh, waits out the spot dodge. Good patience from Smash guys. But the up B out is shoot. The emergency up B from Bowser. Knocks him away. Gets an up tilt to take off Smash guy's first stock. Almost killed him with his movement. An orbit nair out, just to get him out of that situation. Smash God then nairs him away. The up B clips Bowser. Smash God getting to this. Down B to get to the ledge safely. Side B actually grabs him. That was a smart up B to avoid getting a ledge. Seagull's been playing really risky because he doesn't have too much waste on the stock, but moonwalk. Smash God's being a little stylish there. Get a forward to do it. Always up B is so good. Oh, this faces a down B, doesn't get to the ledge. But it doesn't matter. Gets a forward air, takes off to the second stock. Smart by Smash God to wait out and bait out an up B. Oh, but he gets clipped by that up B, just as I say that. That was smart to use Nairs, which has so much armor on it. Smash God has been using these preemptive up Bs. It's really paying off. Red's live in the background and completely unaware that Swag Apocalypse is able to beat Pink Flash. Ooh. That was a really good edge grab. Seagull Joe. Bowser's oh. What the hell? Red. Okay, it's probably just TV then. Nothing else is affected. It's probably just this TV then. Oh. Alright. Smash God gets a good back air to take off the second game and the set.